What's up, mega technology fans? In today's episode, we're diving into brilliant tools designed to make splitting firewood easier and faster. Let's check them out. The Bandit with a winch is a beast on wheels. A 16-inch diameter tree, no problem. This machine greedily pulls in Australian timber and turns it into chips as if it were a simple toothpick. It works efficiently, quickly, and with zero mercy for the wood. The Gondini Mechanica turns trees into mountains of wood chips. Don't believe it? Watch this. The mounted arm gently grabs the trunks and feeds them into the press. Powerful blades grind them into tiny pieces. Fast, powerful, and waste-free. The Force Mulcher is the ideal tool for battling stumps. Its cutting drum effortlessly destroys old stumps, turning them into mulch. Compact, powerful, and indispensable for clearing sites. The fastest machine for harvesting entire trees works like poetry in motion. Driving along rows, it cuts trees at the base and neatly stacks them in the rear compartment. The efficiency is impressive. The boost in speed and power is undeniable. An excavator showcases its skills in tree felling. First, the bucket digs around the massive trunk, then, with surgical precision, brings the tree down. This method is perfect for the safe removal of large trees. A manual log splitter, check and Rex, makes routine tasks easier. Perfect for logs up to 10 inches in diameter. It weighs only 15 pounds but delivers confident splitting. Rest assured, it's lightweight, compact, and absolutely reliable for home use. A pendulum miter saw and a wood splitter make a powerful duo. The pendulum system cuts logs with millimeter precision, while the splitter with 15 tons of force instantly divides them into sections. Compact, reliable, and indispensable for any wood processing setup. The Foley Bell Saw circular sawmill is a time-tested classic. Its 40-inch blade handles logs up to 20 inches in diameter, while the adjustable table ensures precision. Ideal for home sawmill projects. A root bowler mounted on a John Deere or New Holland tractor delivers incredible results. Just 1 minute and the tree, along with its roots, is pulled out of the ground. The powerful hydraulic drive tugs at the roots, while the bucket ensures precise work without damaging the soil. A giant circular saw with intelligent wood cutting technology is a real game changer. One move, and you have a perfect cut. Whether it's a massive tree or a large pile of fixed wood, it gets the job done with ease. A stubborn fence post that won't budge? No problem. Wrap a chain with a hook around it and use a pulling tool, and the result is yours in just 4 minutes. Minimal effort, no holes, and no digging required. Old dry trees, no problem. With a skidder and an excavator, they disappear from the site in mere minutes. Convenient equipment and powerful mechanisms make the work as easy and quick as possible. An unwanted stump? That's yesterday's problem. Modern equipment with powerful hydraulic grabs removes stumps with roots in mere minutes. Convenient, fast, and without a trace. Imagine a stump disappearing, turning into light smoke and warmth. Burning is a simple yet highly effective way to clear a site. The fire does the work for you, leaving behind nothing but smooth, clean land. The rotor hydro is an auger that turns stumps into sawdust as if it were never there. With a hydraulic system and a powerful drill, it penetrates deep into the ground, shredding roots into small pieces. Convenient, precise, and efficient, it solves the stump problem in no time. The Kurovet's K-Series is a true powerhouse that knows no compromises. Equipped with a powerful cable, or rather a towing device, it easily uproots trees like a hero in an epic battle. When raw power and reliability are needed, it has no equal. Groeneveld is a surgeon in the world of stumps, armed with powerful shears. It cuts tree trunks flush with the ground, turning the remnants into neat sawdust. Its compactness and ease of operation make it the perfect tool for gardeners and foresters where speed and precision are crucial. A forestry mulcher for heavy excavators shreds trees and shrubs into chips on the move. A rotor with hardened hammers spins at high speeds, cutting through trunks and roots and leaving behind a smooth layer of mulch. Its hydraulic drive ensures precise operation on steep slopes and in hard-to-reach areas. The Timberjack is a legend in logging, combining agility and power. Its hydraulic manipulator with a cutting head grabs trees, cuts them, and strips branches in just a few moves. An articulated frame and all-wheel drive system easily handles steep slopes and swampy terrain. The Bobcat T650 effortlessly lifts logs and clears gravel as if playing with building blocks. Its track drive ensures smooth movement on any surface, while the hydraulically tilting bucket collects materials in mere seconds. A tracked excavator ferociously tears out old roots, balancing on a steep slope with acrobatic precision. Its hydraulic bucket with a powerful grip rips through the soil and extracts roots, leaving a clean site behind. Maneuverable tracks and a low center of gravity make it indispensable in extreme conditions. Hydraulic controls ensure precision, making it ideal for preparing biomass and wood fuel. The Green Tech turns trees into mulch right on site and loads it directly into a container. The Grapple cuts trunks while powerful blades shred the wood into fine particles. A conveyor immediately transfers the material into a hopper, leaving the area clean and the process fast and continuous. The Bandit 280 HD turns wood into chips faster than you can say firewood. Its drum chipper with hardened steel blades shreds trunks up to 19 inches in diameter. Automatic feeding pulls in the wood, while a powerful ejector directs the chips into a container or onto the ground. Need to get rid of a stump? Easy, if you've got a tractor with several tons of pulling force and a chain stronger than an anchor. Hook it up, tighten it, hit the gas, and the stump pops out of the ground like a cork from a bottle. A little patience and raw power, and the roots will be nothing but a memory. The Vodden log splitter turns weekends into a firewood marathon. 18 cubic meters in just a couple of days? Easy. The blade goes to work, the motor roars, and you stack the wood faster than it cools. This homemade log splitter is like an old reliable tank with every component tested by time. A flywheel-driven gearbox and a steel wedge smash through logs with a satisfying crunch, splitting them like nuts under a press. The Oregon Log Splitter is a true beast with 28 tons of splitting force and a 9-horsepower motor, turning logs into kindling faster than you can feed them. A 24-inch hydraulic cylinder stroke, hardened steel wedge, and vertical operation mode for large logs make it perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Logs up to 24 inches in diameter? No problem. A double saw with a conveyor. Why work manually when you can work smart? 2 carbide-toothed saws, an automatic log rotating mechanism, and a conveyor belt create a seamless process where every step is optimized. Sawing, splitting, sorting, and the finished firewood is already on its way to your truck. The Gorinage 9T log splitter is a true titan with a force of 9 tons, splitting logs faster than you can load new ones. A 3-kilowatt electric motor and reinforced screw mechanism ensures stability and power, transforming even the toughest wood into neat logs. This gearbox splitter makes winter prep not just fast, but enjoyable. While it confidently crushes logs, you can sip your tea and ponder how to use your newfound free time. The speed and efficiency will leave your neighbors silently envious. When logs stare you down, the gearbox splitter answers with a powerful strike. Toss in a log and it's instantly turned into neat firewood while you don't even break a sweat. Just don't forget to collect your freshly chopped warmth and satisfaction. And now, the dream of every carpenter. This sawmill knows exactly how to cut logs into perfect pieces. Durable and precise cuts with minimal waste, leaving no room for uneven edges. Ultra with the BioGreen Sriracha shredder turns landscapes into a blank canvas. This mounted shredder handles branches, shrubs, and small trees, leaving behind perfectly prepared soil. A forester's dream come true. Meet the ultimate mechanical tree hunter. Its grabber secures the trunk, cuts it in seconds, and gently lays it on the ground. The machine demonstrates speed and precision that makes you wonder if it's a robot straight out of science fiction. The horizontal grinders of CBI are saving the planet in the aftermath of Hurricane Michael. They grind up debris and fallen trees, turning chaos into valuable mulch. And you know, this is the perfect example of how technology transforms disaster into a resource. The Woodland Bumblebee sawmill works like a diligent bee. A Douglas fir is placed on the machine, and the trunk is carefully sawn into even boards. What can I say? It's the perfect combination of speed and precision for true craftsmen. The Viber 84 is a true monster of wood processing. Toss in a massive trunk and out comes perfectly uniform wood chips. This giant is ready to turn a forest into a pile of fuel faster than you can say, "Chainsaw!" Behold, friends, a true tank among felling bunching machines. It surgically cuts down trees with confidence and neatly stacks them in perfect piles. This giant arm with a saw doesn't just work, it creates the art of forestry. The Samakvalov System wood splitter is an 8-way marvel. In one cycle, the wood is split into 8 pieces. A simple yet reliable design with a powerful hydraulic drive turns even dense oak into perfect logs. In Washington, a 10-foot Douglas fir didn't stand a chance against chainsaws. This process is a symphony of power and precision, where the blade slices through dense wood while professionals control every movement to ensure the tree falls exactly where intended. Easton-made 6-way wedge versus the box wedge, a battle of technologies. The box wedge breaks large logs into sections, while the 6-way wedge transforms them into perfect firewood. Precision hydraulics and 37 tons of power ensure outstanding results. Here's a circular saw with a conveyor line. A 28-inch blade, a 10-horsepower motor, and automatic feeding transform wood processing into an assembly line. The perfect solution for quickly preparing firewood.
Crack, crack, crack.
Who would have thought you could split a thick trunk by attaching a rotating stickler cone instead of a wheel? This device turns wood into firewood as effortlessly as a knife cuts through butter. Imagine this. A whole log goes into this compact chipper, and out comes neat kindling pieces ready for your fire. The machine literally chews through the wood. Just place a log under the hydraulic-mounted splitter, and it effortlessly handles even the toughest wood species. This tracked monster with a turbo mulcher works like a true star of the forestry industry. It not only cuts down trees, but also turns them into wood chips within seconds. Power and precision, everything you need for land clearing. When it comes to cutting medium-sized trees, the Torque Saw by Doherty Forestry finds its perfect application. This attachment doesn't just cut, it confidently and precisely powers through trees, turning a labor-intensive process into a quick and easy task. When an excavator becomes a powerful splitter and a cone splitter does its job, splitting wood turns into a true operation. The excavator's power combined with the splitter's precision makes the process incredibly effective and fast. Firewood production on a new level. A drum saw with a conveyor belt doesn't just cut, but does so with maximum efficiency. Smooth movements, a continuous flow, and voila! The firewood is ready. Think it's impossible? Think again. This track giant with a mulcher is vegetation's #1 enemy. It swiftly clears bushes and trees, leaving a smooth surface behind. An ideal choice for clearing territories, fast, powerful, and awe-inspiring. The chainsaw operator employs techniques that even professionals would envy. A special cutting angle, a couple of precise movements, and the tree falls exactly where it's needed. Easy, safe, and impressive. With a farm jack, even a stump is doomed. A clever use of the lever, a chain around the root, and the stump is pulled out of the ground with its root ball intact. A simple tool for a tough task, turning stump removal into an enjoyable ritual. The stump grinder grinds stumps with relentless precision. Its abrasive discs reduce wood to dust, leaving only a smooth surface behind. This compact yet powerful tool is perfect for the toughest tasks. In this video, the machine is just beginning its work. Now, here's a machine that pulls stumps out as if plucking a carrot from the soil. Powerful grabs secure the tree while hydraulics extract it, roots and all. quick, clean, and complete, a solution for those who value order. Imagine the roar of a chainsaw as a tree braces for its final moments. One precise cut, and the massive trunk falls, opening the ground for new ideas. Everything depends on the operator's skill and the tool's power, and the spectacle is mesmerizing in its force. Here's another self-propelled monster that leaves perfectly cleared land in its wake. Tearing into the soil with its teeth, this mulcher easily handles dense thickets and trees. Massive power, maneuverability, and reliability make it the true king of clearing large areas. Believe it, the stump remover will make even the most stubborn roots surrender. The machine's hydraulic grab pulls stumps out entirely, leaving the ground clean and ready for new plantings. Its convincing power and reliability make it indispensable in agriculture and forestry. Here's a mulcher that turns excavators into universal clearing machines. Its sharp serrated blade effortlessly shreds branches, bushes, and trees, leaving behind a neat layer of mulch. This Dina-Cymaf attachment handles even the densest vegetation with ease. The Kinsella mulcher, paired with a Belarus tractor, cuts and grinds trees and shrubs right on site. With a working width of 6 feet and a rotating rotor with hardened hammers, it pulverizes trunks into chips. A hydraulic drive adjusts the cutting height, and the reinforced frame withstands impacts, transforming overgrown terrain into a level surface in just a few passes. The wood splitter BODM grabs a log and splits it into neat firewood in seconds. Its hydraulic piston exerts up to 25 tons of force, splitting even the hardest woods. A built-in conveyor moves the finished pieces aside, turning manual labor into conveyor speed. No axes, just pure power. Komatsu, the king of logging, boasts 7 wheels and an articulated frame for unbeatable off-road capabilities. Its manipulator with a saw grabs trees, cuts them down, and strips branches on the spot. It then automatically sections the wood to precise lengths and stacks it for transport. An industrial log splitter is a true giant, capable of splitting the largest logs. Its powerful hydraulic drive and durable steel body make heavy work fast and efficient. This powerhouse knows no limits. A branch chipper for branches up to 4.7 inches in diameter turns wood waste into perfect winter fuel. Its razor-sharp blades handle branches of any density, leaving behind neat chips for stoves and bonfires. Minimal effort, maximum benefit. The Raptor hydraulic log splitter is a beast that splits logs with laser-like precision and predator-level strength. Its hydraulic system operates smoothly, driving the blade with power capable of handling any wood. Add a sturdy frame and a fast cycle, you've got a top-tier splitter. This homemade gearbox log splitter is a true workhorse. A 3-kilowatt motor, 1500 RPM, a 1-32 gearbox, and 12.6-inch and 3.3-inch pulleys make splitting logs an effortless process. Connected to a 220-volt network, it handles even the toughest firewood with precision and power. A chainsaw with a 4.1-liter V8 engine isn't just a tool, it's a beast. It cuts through a 550-millimeter trunk in just 2.4 seconds with such ease, as if it's slicing cake, not wood. The hydraulic log splitter, Matfei, is more than just homemade, it's a true jack of all trades. Its cross-shaped blade effortlessly splits even massive logs into neat firewood, as if following precise templates. A hydraulic motorized log splitter with 7 tons of force and weighing 320 kilograms. A mechanical giant powered by a 6.5 horsepower gasoline engine. It doesn't chop, it splits logs into perfect pieces with minimal effort. This backyard sawmill is like a mini factory under the open sky. Built by hand but engineered with precision, it cuts woods with enviable accuracy, transforming your yard into a construction material workshop.